Noun. Okay, so an adjective describes a noun. It gives you more information about the noun. Okay, so these are just the revision exercises that is given on this page. Okay, now fill in the blanks with the right pronouns. Okay, page number 39, worksheet B. Okay, page number 39, worksheet B. Fill in the blanks with the right pronouns. First sentence, Seema plays hide and seek with dash brother. Which pronoun will you use here?
Her, miss.
Very good, Meghna. Yes, very good. Write her. In the first blank, write her. H-E-R. Her. Okay, H-E-R. Her.
Small. E-R.
Okay. Now next one.
E.
Okay, next
Next kid.
sentence. Continuation. Dash like the game very much.
She.
No, it is very good. Very good, Meghna. It is not he or she. It is they. Okay, write capital T-H-E-Y. They. Okay, capital T-H-E-Y. They. Okay, why they will come? Because both Seema and her brother, both of them like the game very much. And both of them means two of them, which is more than one. See, it is plural. Because of that, you will use they. You will not say she or he. Okay, that is why you're writing they.
They.
Okay, please write capital T. Please, it's a beginning of a new sentence, so please use capital T, not small one. Okay. Next, second sentence. The train is late. Dash has not arrived. Which pronoun will you use here? Very good. It is it. Yes, right. Capital I-T. It. Capital I-T. It. Capital I-T. It. Okay. Next, third one. Mohit and Manish worked in dash garden. Dear, very good. It is dear. Okay, it is T-H-E-I-R. Okay, you're talking about people here, so you're going to write T-H-E-I-R. Okay. Mohit and Manish worked in their garden. Dash watered all the plants. Very good. It is they. Right. Capital T-H-E-Y. They. Capital T-H-E-Y. They. Kushal, you're writing, right? Yes, very good. Yes. Okay, next, fourth one. The mason is busy. Dash is building a house. A mason is a person who works in a building. Okay, so which pronoun will you use here? Sorry?
He, ma'am.
Very good. It is he. Yes, right? Capital H-E. Okay, right. Capital H-E. He is building a house. Okay, he is building a house. The next sentence, continuation, dash is a big house. Now we're talking about the house. So which pronoun will you use? It. Very good. Yes. Now write down capital I-T. Capital I-T. Okay, so the mason is busy. He is building a house. It is a big house. Yes. Yes, Melvin, you have something to ask? Okay, somebody was calling. Who was that? Yes, Chrisana.
What is third one, ma'am?
Third one, the first dash you have to use there. T-H-E-I-R. Okay, the first dash THEIR and the second dash is they THEY.
Okay.
Okay, very good. Next, fifth one,
Ma'am, which page, ma'am?
page number 39. Arul, you're logging in very late. Class begins at 9 o'clock, not 9:15. Okay, page number 39. We are doing worksheet B. Okay, now in worksheet B, the fifth one, dash are fond of our town. Very good. Yes, write down capital THEY. They are fond of our town. Dash is a busy place.
It, ma'am.
Very good. It is it. Very good. Right. Capital IT. It is a busy place.
It, ma'am.
Yes. Very good. Okay. Now next one, sixth one. Dash can take this book to read if you want. So which pronoun will you use? Very good, Meghna. It is you. Capital YOU. You.
Right. It is
Okay,
right.
right. Capital YOU. Okay, just check your answers. Very good, Charvi. Okay, just check your answers if you've taken it down correctly. First sentence, Seema plays hide and seek with her brother. They like the game very much. Second one, the train is late. It has not arrived. Okay, third one, Mohit and Manish worked in their garden. They watered all the plants. Fourth one, the mason is busy. He is building a house. It is a big house. Fifth one, they are fond of our town. It is a busy place. Next, the last one, you can take this book to read if you want. Okay, hope all of you have taken this down. Shall I erase the board?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, now next B. I'm sorry, the next worksheet C, give the opposites of the following. What is the opposite of hot?
Cold, ma'am. Cold, ma'am.
Very good. Write down COLD, cold. Write down COLD, cold. Okay, COLD, cold. Next, second one, what is the opposite of shallow?
Deep. Deep.
Deep.
Very good. It is deep. Okay. Yes, very good. Answer is deep. DEEP. Okay, DEEP.
Small.
Next one, third one, large.
Small, ma'am.
Very good. It is small. Yes. Write down SMALL. Yes, write down small. SMALL. Small.
Rough, ma'am.
Very good. Opposite of smooth is rough. Okay, write down ROUGH. Very good, Dikshita. Yes. Opposite of smooth is rough. 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 Okay. Opposite of smooth is rough. Opposite of narrow.
Broadness.
Yes, very good. Broad. You can write down BROAD.
Broad.
Yes, Tusha.
What is that man?
Which
After
one, ma'am?
small.
After
After
small,
small.
it is rough. R-O-U-G-H. Rough.
R-O-U-G-H.
Okay. And for narrow, you
Thank
can
you.
say broad, you can say wide. All these and all are the opposites of narrow only. Okay. Next one, what is the opposite of cruel?
Man, what's broad spelling, man?
Kind of.
Broad is B-R-O-A-D. B-R-O-A-D. Broad. Okay, now can someone tell me what is the opposite of cruel? Very good. It is kind. Yes, right down. K-I-N-D. Kind. K-I-N-D.
What is the broad spelling, man?
B-R. B-R.
C-R.
It is B, not C, it is B. Okay, B-R-O-A-D. Broad. It begins with a B sound.
Last
Yes, Arul? Yes.
What is deep spelling, man?
D-E-E-P.
D-E-E-P. Deep.
D-E-E-P. The deep, correct.
Okay. Hope all of you have taken down all the 6 opposites. Okay. Just check your answers if you've written it correctly. Opposite of hot is cold. C-O-L-D. Second one, opposite of shallow is deep. D-E-E-P. Third one, opposite of large. Opposite of large is small. S-M-A-L-L. Small. Then opposite of smooth is rough. R-O-U-G-H. Rough. And then opposite of narrow is broad. B-R-O-A-D. Broad. Okay. And then opposite of cruel is kind. K-I-N-D. Kind. Okay. Hope all of yes, very good, Preetham. Okay, all of you have written this. Shall I raise the board? Just show a thumbs up if you have written. Yes, very good. Okay. Okay, now we'll move on to the next one.
Lisa finished, man.
Yes, very good, Melissa. Okay, now next main D. Match the adjectives in column A with the naming words in column B. Okay, you have 2 columns. You have column A and then you have column B. In column A, I'll read all the words given here. Okay, in column A, you have bright, dark, ferocious, dense, busy, loud, famous, clever. Okay, and then very good. Okay, then in column B, you have forest, street, music, sunlight, night, monument, pupil, and tiger. Okay, one side you have naming words, that is nouns are given in column B, and in column A you have the adjectives given. Okay, so you need to match them correctly. The first one is done for you. First one, bright, is matched with sunshine, that is D. Okay, I want you to write the number 1 next to D. Please do not draw lines. In brackets, just write number 1. Okay, second one, dark. When is it
Night.
done? Very good. Yes. Okay, so next to E, write 2 in brackets. Okay, next to E, write 2 in brackets. Next one, third one, ferocious.
Tiger, miss.
Very good, very good. Yes, it is tiger. Write 3 in brackets next to H. Okay, next to H, write 3. Charvi, are you writing? Yes, very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, next, fourth one, dense.
Forest, miss.
Very good. Dense forest. Yes. Next to A, write 4 in brackets. Okay, next to A, write 4 in brackets. Next, fifth one, busy.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Street. Very good. So B, next to B, write 5 in brackets. Busy, street.
Street.
Okay. Next, sixth one, loud.
Music, ma'am.
Very good. Loud music. That is next to C, write 6. Okay, next to C, right? 6. Next one, seventh one, famous.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Pratusha or Varun, I'm not sure who is calling. What is it, ma?
What is after 4, ma'am?
Numbers, after 4, it is 5. Okay, 5 is busy street. Okay, yes. Okay, next, seventh one, famous.
Monument, miss.
Very good, Meghna. It is famous monument. Yes, next to F, right? 7. Okay, next to F, right? 7. And next, eighth one, clever. Yes, very good. Clever pupil. Okay, clever pupil or clever student. Okay. Now, just check if you've written the numbers correctly. Next to A, you should have written 4. Next to B, you should have written 5. C is 6. D is 1. E is 2. F is 7. G is 8. And H is 3. Yes, very good. Okay.
Complete, madam.
Did you all understand what you did today? Okay, did you all understand what you did today? Okay.
Finished.
Yes, very good. Okay, now I'll just give you.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Okay, now I want you to just close your book and listen to what I'm telling you. Okay, just close your book and listen to what I'm telling you. Okay, from next grammar class, we will start with the next topic. Okay, but I'll just give you an idea about what it is. Do you all know what are verbs? Have you all heard about verbs in UKG? Did you all learn about verbs? Anyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So what are verbs? Very good. Verbs are nothing but action
Yes, ma'am.
words. Very good. Action words are called as verbs. Okay, you can call them as verbs, action words,
Well,
action words, or doing words. Okay, all these mean the same. All these mean verbs only. Doing words are nothing but some action is being done, right? So it is called as doing words. All the three means the same. Can you give me an example of what are verbs?
So,
Example. What were you all doing so long?
writing, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Writing.
Writing, ma'am.
Very good. Writing. Yes, very good. Okay, writing is a verb. Then you can say dancing,
Run.
dancing, playing,
Running,
Jumping.
running,
Standing, walking,
Singing, walking,
Walking.
jumping, skipping, all these are all examples of, all these are all examples of,
Slide.
okay, all these are all examples of verbs. Okay, so far what have you learned? You've learned what are nouns, what are pronouns, what are adjectives. These three things you've already learned till now, right? Okay, verbs is the next unit, okay, or the next chapter. Okay, this we will start from Wednesday. From next week we will start this unit. Okay, you have to, very good, Melvin. Okay, remember, you have to remember what all these things that you're learning. Okay, even if you go even class 2, class 3, 4, 5, how much ever you're studying, you still need to remember these basics. Okay, so please do not forget what are nouns, what are pronouns, what are adjectives. Okay, so whatever you're learning in class 1 will be carried on even if you go to college also. Even if you finished your studies, you should still remember all these. Okay, so every time before grammar class, we will just go through these from the beginning so that you will not forget. Okay, anyone has any doubt in what we've done till today?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Everyone is